Can abortion be a solution for a couple that is economically unstable? In other words, they couldn't really afford to have a child, but the child is born. That's known in Sanskrit as varna samskara, unwanted children. The answer is it's not acceptable, simply not acceptable. For economic reasons, to kill the child in the womb, abominable, you know. So, control of the senses is therefore recommended, but then, you know, men and women get married because they're lusty. Of course, the women are supposed to get married to be protected. As you know, a young girl is supposed to be protected by father. She's supposed to get married and be protected by her husband. In her elder years, she may be protected by her parents again, or her son. She can have a son who will protect her in her elder years. This is a Vedic system. So, it's important for the foundations of relationship to be there. And some common sense is required. We don't recommend birth control devices either. If they can't afford to have a child, maybe they shouldn't have gotten married. But we see that all over India, there are many, many poor people, they have children, they somehow get by. Non-devotees get by, why shouldn't a devotee get by? Depend on the Supreme Lord. You know, Krishna is supplying grass for the animals that eat grass. He's supplying grains for the birds. He's supplying for the 8,400,000 species of life. So one should be Krishna conscious and one should depend on Krishna. One should follow the example of Sudama the Brahmin. He was extremely poor, but he did not try to make a materialistic arrangement. Of course, the man could try to get a better job or something, that's fine, but abortion is never an answer. Hare Krishna.